Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi K90 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for both of those operations, and then we can go to the settings. Right here, let's scroll all the way down, and if you wish, you can try to do it using the Google services, but to be honest, I prefer do it with the accounts and sync. So let's go to additional settings. Here we have to scroll and find the option accounts and sync, and here tap on add account. Choose Google and make sure again that you've got the internet connection. Also enter your screen lock to confirm the whole step, and here in this section, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And tap on next. Okay, just be patient because as you can see, it might take a while. So here in this step, we have to enter our password. So let me do this out of the screen. All right, we've got it, so let's tap on next. Here, Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcuts of backup and storage info, so you can decide whether you want to use it and what kind of data you'd like to back up. It's completely up to you. I will choose don't backup. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. And if you wish to remove the account, simply open this section again, so accounts and sync, and tap on your account. Then let's tap on more and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, tap on OK, and here confirm everything with your screen lock. And as you can see, your device will immediately remove the account. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.